Hey there, it's Tony from Hinge Outlet with another video to show all of the do-it-yourselfers out there how to get your project done the right way. At home, at the office, or just about anywhere, we all hate those squeaky door hinges. So today we're going to cover two methods to help you fix that problem in your life. The first method for fixing the squeaky door hinge, something we always recommend here at Hinge Outlet, is to upgrade your standard butt hinges, which 99% of you have installed on your doors, to a ball bearing hinge. With a ball bearing hinge, which actually we have installed on this door right now, you can tell if you have a ball bearing hinge. It's going to have these two rings on the hinge itself. Within those rings, if you were to crack it open with a hammer, there's these tiny little ball bearings which help to make the hinge much smoother, and it's also going to help reduce all that black dust buildup you get on a standard butt hinge. But as you notice here, we've got a ball bearing hinge and our doors are already functioning smoothly. The second method for fixing those pesky squeaky door hinges is using this awesome tool called a Hinge Hero. It's something we also carry here at Hinge Outlet. All you do with this is slide it over the hinge. The Hinge Hero, it helps you to direct the WD-40 or silicone-based grease or whatever else you want to use to lubricate the hinge itself. All right, your hinge is all lubricated. No more squeaky door hinges. You should be all set now. Thanks for watching. For more tips, techniques, and information on these products, please visit us at hingeoutlet.com.